Some technology is so integral in modern society that you don't even realize it's there, actively making your life better. And refrigeration definitely falls into this category. Every year it saves 200 to 300 million tons of food, and it completely revolutionized healthcare along with many other fields. But when did humanity actually get this upgrade? The first compressor-based refrigerator was invented all the way back in 1834, but it ran on mechanical motion such as a hand crank or a steam engine. It wasn't until 1913 that the first practical domestic electric refrigerator was invented, and it cost a whopping $28,000 in today's money, and it was horribly energy inefficient.